Thank you. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? So we started this collaboration last year and it was amazing. The AI Summer Camp was an amazing experience for SAP. And the thing we noticed is that we made it very engaging. It was actually something that we learned a lot ourselves, because you would expect those kids not to know anything about AI, but that's completely wrong. They know, they understand, they are ready for that. And for this year, we want to take it to the next level. But how? How we can make it engaging and memorable? The theme we decided for this year is called AI should make everyone superheroes. So our speakers this year, they will use the analogy of Marvel superheroes in order to help the students to understand how AI actually can help them to be the superheroes of their own journey. Just like Tony Stark in Iron Man. He's using what? Jarvis, his personal assistant. It's there 24/7 to help him to be a superhero at his best and save the planet. When we look at business, and this is a bit of an update of how SAP is looking at that, AI is meaningless without the business context. And we've had the pleasure of working with companies around the world, and today 77% of the world's transaction they will touch an SAP system. It gives us a lot of business context to bring AI to life. We're talking about 25 industries, 11, almost 7 lines of businesses using SAP information. And if we merge that with the powerful machine learning, artificial intelligence foundation, what we can do? We can achieve the most important part of it, which are the business outcomes. And business outcomes is what we are expecting. Let's talk about examples. There is something here right now in UAE that we are using machine learning to cool the entire UAE. Did you know that? We are using machine learning with the mall operator in order to save energy, to reduce carbon emission, and actually make a mall operator way more efficient. This is happening right here and right now. But also we are working with startups, and those startups are like Jackie. Jackie was a previous SAP employee. She made a very interesting model where you take a picture of your feet and makes a 3D model of your shoes. And with that, she can inspire women, and I'm sure women here would love that, to find the dream shoes for you. And to fulfill that expectation, the whole SAP business context is there to support her. The same way we can do for deep learning and machine learning for insurance claims. You take a picture and you get an analysis of that. And business context is what it takes to use capabilities of AI to achieve the goal of saving 50% of annual costs. Without that business context, it's impossible to achieve that goal. And now, just for you to understand how we are planning to do that, it takes an intelligent enterprise to do this. So we have the ability to use end-to-end business processes that is open for data and it's open for integration and leverage emerging technologies. This is how you bring data, ingest data, you can smartify the data, you can bring that to the right process, you can actually achieve the business outcome, and you do it all over again. So the intelligent enterprise takes a digital mile from that data, which is raw, all the way to the business outcome. And this is what SAP is all about. And I thank you very much for your time today, and I look forward that SAP and the UAE will take AI to the next level together. Thank you very much for your opportunity.